Hi there, hope you are doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your site is running on an old version of PHP. WordPress has some recommended improvements. If you see your site has older version of PHP, then you must have to increase it the minimum recommended version of PHP 8.3. Let's fix it. First of all, go to your cPanel and log into here. After then, type PHP 2x. Let's click on here, and then you can be able to upgrade your PHP version by selecting domain, and then you also can be able to upgrade your PHP version account settings. Here for this domain, please wait few seconds. Well, the PHP version is now upgraded to 8.2 to 8.3. Now go back to the WordPress dashboard and then reload this page. You may need to wait few minutes to see the updates here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you love this video and don't forget to like. Thank you.